Thinking of handling payroll on your own? Whether you're a small business owner or just starting out, managing payroll can seem daunting. But don't worry, today we'll walk you through the essential steps of running payroll yourself, step by step. Before diving into payroll calculations, it's crucial to gather some essential information. First is your federal employer identification number. This is your business's unique identifier for tax purposes. You might also need state and local tax IDs, because depending on your location, you may need additional tax identification numbers. And of course, employee information. So make sure you collect details like pay rates, withholding allowances, and any benefit deductions. Now let's explore the manual payroll process step by step. While it's cost-effective, it does require meticulous attention to detail. So first, track your time. You can do this by using timesheets or attendance software to record employee hours. Then calculate gross pay. That means multiply hours worked by the pay rate, including any overtime or bonuses. Next, you'll need to deduct pre-tax contributions. So subtract items like retirement plan contributions or health insurance premiums. After that, calculate taxes. You'll need to determine federal, state, and local tax withholdings based on current tax tables. Then deduct post-tax deductions. You'll get this by subtracting items like wage garnishments or union dues. And at that point, distribute pay. You can issue by paychecks or set up direct deposits for your employees. Then once that's all done, naturally you'll need to file your taxes. So ensure timely filing of payroll taxes and submission of required forms to tax agencies. Remember, accuracy in all of this is paramount. Mistakes can lead to penalties and unhappy employees, which, needless to say, none of us want. If manual calculations seem overwhelming, consider using payroll software. It automates many of these steps, reducing errors and saving time. For example, some of those benefits include automated calculations, because the software can compute wages, taxes, and deductions instantly. Tax filing. Many platforms offer automatic tax filing and payment services. Employee access. Employees can view pay stubs and tax documents online. Compliance updates, allowing you to stay up to date with changing tax laws and regulations. So while there's a cost associated with payroll software, the time saved and reduced risk of error can be well worth the investment. Overall, managing payroll yourself is achievable with the right tools and knowledge. Whether you choose the manual route or opt for software, ensure you're compliant with all tax laws and regulations. For more information, you can check out our other resources in the description bar below.